Good morning, everyone. I wanted to start this vlog off by saying thank you to Brooklinen for sponsoring today's video. If you want to get yourself some luxe dreamy sheets, make sure you go to my description box to check out Brooklinen. They are having a Labor Day sale right now, so that's between September 1st to September 8th. You can get 15% off your order, or if you want to get something after September 8th, you can use my code WEYLIEH to get $20 off your order of $100 or more. So as you can see, since moving to the new house, I'm just going for a light white and airy vibe in the bedroom. So I had to get new bed sheets, and I've heard of Brooklinen for so long. I've heard so many people talk about it. I actually have this quilt from them and I really love the quality, so I wanted to give their bed sheets a try. And depending on which bundle you go with, they have the classic and they have the luxe hardcore bundle. It ranges between $200 to $250, which if you've ever purchased luxury bed sheets before, you know that's a really good price, because something like this would probably run you around $500 with other luxury sheet brands. In the past, I have paid over $500 for a sheet set, so this is a really good deal. I do recommend getting the hardcore bundle because you're saving about 25%. In the bundle, you will get the core sheet set, you'll get a duvet cover, as well as extra pillowcases, which is such a good deal, I'm telling you. And on the website, you're able to choose different colors and patterns. They have over 20 different ones that you can choose from, so I'll put all that in the description box below if you want to check them out. Personally, for myself, I really like a mixture of different textures on my bed, so what I did was that I got the luxe hardcore bundle set. So I have my fitted sheet that is the luxe sateen finish, and then I got the linen duvet cover so that I have like a variety of different textures on my bed. And then I threw on this quilt that's also from Brooklinen, and so far I'm so happy with their quality. It is so luxe, high quality and amazing, and the reason why they're able to keep their prices low is because they cut out the middleman. If you are looking to just refresh your bedroom, or if you're just looking for new bed sheets that are very luxe and high quality, highly recommend checking them out. So all that will be in the description box below. I didn't have too many ingredients left in the fridge, so I just made what I had. We are entering week 5? Is it 5 or 4?
I lost count.
Same. I want to say 4.5. Some days I feel really tired, and today is one of those days. Once we start working out, I usually start feeling a little better.
Okay, here we go.
Today was a rough day, but I feel stronger. I was able to squat 105 pounds. I wasn't able to get it on my last rep though on my own, but for the first 2, I was able to do 2 on my own. So not bad. having stir-fried lettuce with garlic and an egg omelet. This was supposed to be a seedless watermelon, but we got lots of seeds in here. See? It says seedless mini watermelon, but you know how sometimes your phone reminds you of an old photo? I don't remember what this was or where this was. Definitely at a dog rescue, but I don't remember which dog rescue, but was holding one of the dogs. This was from December of 2018. Luna and Money. Oh, this was when Money was so much younger. Here's another one from July 30th. 2017. Me and Michi. This is when we still lived in downtown. Oh, I keep forgetting to talk about this necklace that I got. I've talked about it on Instagram, but I haven't properly given it a shout out on my channel. Hopefully you can see that okay. This necklace was gifted to me from Stephanie and Amarillo. This is a collab that Stephanie did with Amarillo, and it says Yu Zhao in Chinese, which means universe. And I love this necklace. I have not taken it off since I got it. I leave it on, I take a shower with it, and it's held up really well. I've had it for quite a few months now, and it's my favorite piece of jewelry.
Oh yeah. Okay, sit, good girl. You got your messy, crazy hair. Messy, crazy hair. That needs brushing. Oh yeah. Alright, is it time for massage?
So every day I have this routine with her where I brush her, clean her eyes. I think it helps her feel taken care of. I feel like if I was old and I felt like there was eye boogers and my hair was a mess and no one was taking care of it for me, it would make me feel extra crappy. So recently I spoke with I don't know exactly what her title would be called, but I guess kind of like a senior dog specialist. We recently started seeing a new vet who has a holistic approach to veterinary medicine, and she's been doing acupuncture on Money, which has been really helping her with her mobility. She recommended that I speak with this person who specializes in senior dog care. She's been giving me tips and give me some activities or types of massages for Money. So one of the things that I learned is giving her paw massages. Yeah? Your sister played with you today? Oh, that was actually really good. She usually gets little short bursts of energy to play with Navi, and it really sucks for Navi because she doesn't understand that Money's getting old.